Good morning. So I don't know if you can hear this noise. I'm going to open the window so you can hear it. That was the noise that we woke up to. I'm thinking, are you serious right now? This time in the morning? That was a shame. So we're heading off to Scotland this morning. But first of all, we're going to stop at the Lake District. We are in the Lake District, technically. This place is in the Lake District. So we're going to have a little look and see what it's about. Obviously, the Lake District's massive, so we can't cover it all in a short time we're here. But I'm going to find a really nice viewing spot for you guys so you can see it for yourselves. This is not the viewing spot, but I just thought it looked quite pretty, so I'm gonna get back in the car. We're gonna continue our quest to find that magical sweet spot to get a good viewing spot of the Lake District. Our journey has taken us to this place. The view does not disappoint, I'll tell you that much. How pretty is that? Wow, this is beautiful. It's called Surprise View, and I'll tell you what, it really is. I did not expect to see such an amazing view here at all. And there's parking as well, which is really handy. The roads are quite windy, so bear that in mind. You can't get more of a chill bunny than this little critter. She's a good podge. Now, on to our next spot, I think. Hey, Nuzzle Nose. The Lake District is definitely on the cards for a future travel vlog, so watch this space. So we're heading into the village of Grasmere, and we're going to stop off and grab some tea. There's the tea room. Look at this ice cream. I mean, not ice cream, exactly. It's hot chocolate. Lovely. So this is a really nice location. It's called Grasmere Tea Gardens, and it's really, really nice. Nice little place to chill out. Open from 9 o'clock in the morning, which is handy.
I have a jacket potato with beef chili.
There it is. And I have a panini with mozzarella, pesto, tomato and cheese. William Wordsworth, the poet, spent 14 years of his life in Grasmere and said it was the most lovely spot man has ever found, or man hath ever found. We might not have the time for this church. Woo! Beautiful little village this is. So William Wordsworth was actually laid to rest here in this cemetery. I guess it's quite fitting because he loved it so much. Right, we have to love it and leave it. There's a big queue here for the gingerbread shop. Tig isn't convinced it's worth it, but you know what? He loves gingerbread, and I think it's worthwhile to try and go in here.
Well, if Kate thinks it's worthwhile, it probably is.
You'll be thanking me when we're in Scotland having a nice gingerbread with a cup of tea.
This is true.
Just walked a little bit away from the crowd. So you might be wondering, why are so many people queuing up to get gingerbread? Well, it was actually invented in this very town by a woman called Sarah Nelson in 1854. So that's why there's so many people queuing to get gingerbread right from the source of where it was first created. I'm smelling it now and it smells amazing.
a bit of chocolate and ginger spread.
Yeah, it's not available today. Maybe tomorrow.
Okay,
then.
cool. So we've got our gingerbread. Quite a queue for it, but it's all COVID stuff. It makes it take a bit longer because they've got a traffic light system in there. I'm really curious to do a taste test of it when we get to our place. It's the novelty as well, isn't it, of having the original recipe gingerbread. So we have arrived. This is where we're staying. Look at them all going in. So cute. So here we are. Come in, guys. Little sofa, kitchen, very nice. That's cute. A retreat and a warm welcome. Have a great stay. Best wishes, Helen. That's so cute. And there's our view out the window. Massive bed. You go in here. Toilet, shower. Apparently this farmhouse is 300 years old. And originally this was the main house, and then all this was like stables. Have the spuds on, the boil. Gonna be having cod with peri-peri sauce, crushed potatoes, and that jazz. So hopefully that'll be really nice. Nice bit of healthy. Make up for all yesterday's junk. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys once I have cooked it. Taking out a piece of pig. It's a pig anyway. The cod is now smeared with peri-peri sauce. Normally I make my own, but in this occasion, I'm not going to because I haven't got a blender. So I had to buy pre-made. Still gonna be tasty, still gonna be delicious. Can't beat a bit of peri-peri sauce. Go in the oven now for about 20 minutes, I suppose. 20 minutes. Not the way I normally do it. It looks kind of anemic. But let's go for it anyway. I hope it doesn't taste like cack. Okay, very plain. Very plain. It's really weird, it's like plain meets a little kick at the end. No, it's better when I make my own peri-peri sauce. Sorry, Tig. Not gonna be the best. Guys, I'm absolutely knackered like a baked potato. And we're up at 5 in the morning. So, whew, it's gonna be a long day tomorrow, but an exciting day. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's gonna be amazing, 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 amazing.